Oh, sorry, I have been not been uploading videos quite for a long time, cause I was like, but this channel is still going to still be in lead. But yeah, so again sorry for the background disturbance, but yeah, I'm again making another scratch tutorial. Um, so let's just quickly start. Sorry, I'm gonna be today's topic is making a math game. Yeah, it's just a simple math game. So let's quickly start. I started myself a new project. It's gonna be called math game. Yeah. So we won't be needing the sprite cat. Let's just quickly create a small backdrop, which is of, I guess, can we invert colors? Oh wow, great. Let's do the swapping of, this is good. I like the swapping. Outline will be the same, just like the swapping. Why is it all this, I guess a little bit lighter. I kept it in that. And oh, sorry. Over here, we're just gonna do it all the way here. Colors are black. Why did I even put bottom? Yeah, so the green and the lighter version. Yeah, so sorry, what did I do? So let's just create a backdrop first. Pretty plain backdrop. Now what we'll need is sprites, addition, subtraction. If you want to add multiplication, you can, but today I'm gonna be working on addition, then we're gonna do subtraction. Addition, subtraction. So these are two sprites. Now what are we gonna draw? We're just gonna draw a plain red, swap blue. No, not blue. Too obvious. Red, purple, no. Yellow. Yeah, red, yellow. Swap. Yeah. We'll not be needing an outline right now. Oh yeah, we'll need a plain back outline so that it looks really good. So there's our addition side. We can use this thing. This is addition. You guys can even add multiplication. That will be pretty easy. I'm just will draw that again, but with the fill of blue and purple. Sorry, blue and purple. The lengthwise, size-wise, they both should be pretty same. Okay, I made a grave mistake. I don't know why did I do it. Okay, we can just copy paste it. Copy, paste, and just change the color from blue to purple. Wait, why isn't the color swapping? Blue to purple. No. Yeah, purple to blue is better. Perhaps that's too obvious because it's just blue to purple. This will be purple. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, there's our too slow. Let's just make something right over here in text called in green, no, in yellow, called math game. Just for a little bit designing. Math game. Make it a little larger. Done. So here is our little small, not the best setup. Now what position they are in, let's just take the one flag. Like I've wasted loads of minutes about 4 minutes on just designing. So we are going to go to 22. This should be in 22, not 24. 22. So that they both are equal. When flag clicked, it should go to the position. Now we have to make a variable called addition or subtraction. Oh, no, that's too long. Number. Yeah, it should be global for both. Oh, sorry, it should not be number. It should be number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. Yeah. So I'm only gonna be working on addition for today. Tomorrow, for this first part. Next, we're gonna set our number to 0 in the start. No. Okay, in here we're not gonna do anything. We're just gonna, when sprite click, if then, we're just gonna add in forever loop, and if then, touching mouse pointer and mouse down, it is supposed to broadcast. Wait, where's broadcast? Broadcast. It is add. Well, the S came in. It is add, or just like that we can. Sorry. It is It is sub. I'll just say that subtract. I'll just write subtract for now. Now we're gonna make, and then we have to do some more code in these. I'm only gonna be working on add, and then it's supposed to hide over here. Oh, I forgot. We have to add some text called add. And subtract. And then just like that, take it to its rightful position. So yeah, this is what our little thingy looks like. We're just gonna hide it after that. Hide it. And now backdrops, the math game. Now we're gonna take another backdrop. We could have kept the math game as a sprite, but this is way faster. Delete the math. Control Z. Oh my god. And delete the math game. So it's gonna be in when flag clicked, it's going to looks. Wait, there's no. Oh yeah, switch backdrop to not started and started. Alright. Switch backdrop to started, and if it now we even have to do an interchange. Oh my god. In the subtract we have to add a if then. No, when I receive its add, we're gonna hide it just like that. When I receive, wait, when I what? When I receive subtract, yeah, when I receive it's subtract, I am going to hide it. So for now, and in the start we have to show, otherwise it's never gonna show. Alright, show. Let's just, what happened? Oh yeah, and why is it? Oh, not started. Yeah. Now, if we set everything, but a main problem we even have, not problem, but it's gonna be a little long. It's add, subtract, throw that out. Looks switch backdrop to started and do nothing. Duplicate, hit subtract, just like that. Let's see. Add, all of them hit. Subtract, alright. So now this is the summer. The sum giver, that's what I'll name it. Giver, I don't know, did I even spell that correct? So this guy is going to be saying, we're just gonna make a small circle of the color yellow with outline black, and outline is about 4. So press shift to draw a proper circle. Take that to the center and flat click. Go to 0, 0. Actually it should be 0 and hide. So it's hidden. This video is gonna be pretty long. Now what we want to do is, after it hides, we are going to what do we do? Nothing. Now we're just gonna wait till it receives its add, duplicate it, it's subtract. I won't be doing subtract today. Next part, this is part 1. When I receive its add, set number 1, set number 2 to 0. Yeah. We are going to set number 1 and number 2 to pick random. You're gonna pick random from 1, 0 to 100. So just like that, pick random 0 to 100. Then it is supposed to say what is, okay, say what is, how much is this? What is dot dot dot, after 2 seconds say number 1, then again you're gonna say, where's say, I forgot, where does say go in? Yeah, say plus, only when it's add you're gonna add plus. Duplicate number 2. Okay, now forever loop. These all are going to go in the forever. You're gonna say that just let's see, add, oh look, show, we have to show, I forgot to show. Okay, now good. Add, what is 58 plus 25? So now we're gonna check if then. If then, no, now we're gonna go to sensing and ask. Where's ask? There's something called ask. I'm getting confused. Ask, what is the answer? Now for if then, I don't think so we'll need that. If then answer equals to the sum of the two digit 1 and 2, answer equals to the sum. So the sum of number 1 and number 2, then broadcast answer is right. Answer is right. Answer is right, and when I receive answer is right, then we're gonna broadcast its add. Just like that, we can make it a forever loop. So let's just say add what is 31 plus 55. Now it's going to ask 31 plus 55 is pretty simple. It is 86. Let's just type that. 86. Alright. Okay, if the answer is right. Okay, before that we're just gonna say something called right answer. Good job. Where's B? Right. Oh, I can't see that. It's too small. Let's just enlarge it a little bit. Yeah. So add what is 54 plus 30. 54 plus 30. Let's just type something. Alright, else. Now we can add an else if it's wrong. If then else. If then else. Just put that in here. If then it's wrong, then say better luck next time. Yeah. Better luck next time. Sorry. Time, and we're gonna stop all. We'll stop all here. So this is how it works. And what is 49 plus 2? It's 51. 51, I guess. Right answer. Good job. What is 84 plus 2? If I type it 85. Better luck next time. Oh man. Wait, didn't it say it before? 77 plus 84. Type BBB. Better luck next time. And the whole program stops. So this was the addition part. I'm even gonna do the subtraction. So that's it for part 1. It was a pretty long 18-minute video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.